No, it's like almost like liquid. I couldn't blow a bubble with it.
It was nasty.
Did it taste good?
No, it was like.
All right, listen up. I'm going to take attendance. Will. Anthony. Not here. Alicia.
Here.
Brooke.
Here.
Seth. Tyra. Zach Seeger, Hunter, Skylar, Isaac Williams, I saw you. Myra, Destiny, saw you. Liz, Tyler, Lauren, Maya Mifflin, Sophie, McKay, I saw you. Isaac Martin, Harley, still gone. Shannon, Kylie, Macy, Megan, Jacob, Easton, Connor, Aubrey, Dominic, Zach, Brindley, Olivia, Amanda, Danny, Tanya, Jacob, Chris. So where is Anthony is the question. Well, oh well, is Anthony has gone? Do you think? Well, did I not make it explicitly clear that if you're late for class after? Because why don't you just listen to me?
Where did Kylie?
Kylie sit by Shannon. Kylie. Kylie sit beside Shannon. Yeah, 2 minutes later, you took attendance. 2 minutes? Anthony, sit down. You're late. Hey, what did I say before we left? Did I say you need to come right back to class? Do not be late. Anthony, are you like not listening to me today, or what's going on? You have a nice Olympic assembly, and then you show up to my class late. Were you watching Samantha? Were you walking Samantha to class? How many times have we been over this? She will make it to class on her own, just fine. Okay? All right. So you guys, I passed back your test as well as your mommy project. I want you to take about a minute or so to look over those. Give you a minute, and then we're going to go over the test. Those who are taking the test today, I'll have you go out in the hall, but just give me a second. You're late to my class and now you're talking? What are you talking about? Oh, you're not talking, but your mouth is moving? You just sit there like this? With no voice coming out of it? Is that like the new hip thing that I'm unaware of? Okay, let's stop that as well, okay? Let's make better decisions. All right, your mommy projects, you guys, were like really, really good. All right, I'm going to pass back out the test. If you are taking the test after class today, can you please put your Scantron in the air? I'm going to come by and pick it up. So if you're taking the test after school today, put your test in the air. So hey, give me your phone. What's my rule? What is your deal? Do you have like a crappy apple for breakfast or something? Okay, give me your phone. Why? What's my rule? In my classroom, you don't have a phone. So give me your phone now. Why? You want to go see Miss Hilton in the office? You want to do that? Awesome. Anthony, your decision making today is subpar, okay? Subpar. Then get up and go see Miss Hilton. I don't want you here. You obviously don't want to be here either. You're late, you're disrespectful, and you won't give me your phone. You can take your stuff too. I don't want you back. Transfer out if you want. I don't care. Anybody else taking the test today after school?
I'm taking this one.
Yeah. So do I need any more other Scantrons?
I'm not taking it.
I can't.
Okay, you need to talk to me about it after. I don't need to. Anthony! Anthony!
What did you do?
You missed something really funny. Yeah, you
Right now, and pick that up. What part of that seemed like a good idea? What is your deal? Is this real? Is this for real? What is your deal? Okay, that is enough. Pick these up.
I ain't picking them up,
Why not?
because they're not my books.
You threw my books on the floor. Since when is that an option? Go straight to Miss Oden. I'm calling her. You need to go. What is your deal? Get out of my classroom right now and don't come back. That is quite enough. Get out.
You guys, what did he do?
This is not funny. I'm in shock.
I'm gonna pick those books up. I want to cry. What in the world?
He's at the door.
Oh, fantastic. Anthony, get to the office now. Hi. Yeah, no, not you. Sorry. This is Michaela Davis calling from 418. We're, Anthony is going to come up to the office to see Miss Hilton. Yes, there was a major incident. Yes, I will have them do that. Thank you.
Bothering me.
Yeah, pretty much. For no reason.
Thank you. Very nice. I don't even know how to follow that up. But what I need you guys to do, I need you guys to get out a piece of notebook paper and write what happened. Because I sent them up to the office.
I wasn't here.
If you're in my class, you need to write something. I need a statement from everyone. Did him and Samantha break up or something? Like, I don't know. Kylie, what's up?
I don't know what happened.
Well, you're in my class, so you have to write something.
So that you can.
Yeah.
Sick notebook. No. I'll give you another piece from my other binder. My binder. Sorry, it's kind of medieval.
How about the biscuit?
D-A-M-A.
No.
What?
Yeah, go. Go.